Welcome to Disney This Day. I'm Egon Bonkers, and on this day in 1940, Pinocchio had its red carpet premiere at the Center Theater in New York City's Rockefeller Center. It was Disney's second animated feature film after Snow White. Pinocchio received critical acclaim and became the first animated film to win Oscar for Best Music, Original Score, and Original Song. However, it did not perform well due to the impacts of World War II. It is said that the premiere itself also included an interesting incident, and it was 85 years ago. Kinda crazy, huh? Have you seen it? Do you love it? I sure do. Anyway, have a magical day.